business rule. Yesterday also I have shown you what is after business rule, because before business rule is nothing but before the data gets saved in the, before it gets saved in the database,
Some action should be
some
done.
action should be done. After business rule is nothing but after saving it in the data in the database, some action should be done. Now, I have one requirement saying that whenever, whenever I click on incident management, that means when I do add some values, like, if I add able tutor, there is a network issue and assignment group is network, everything is done. When I save the record, immediately it has to create a problem ticket. Why? Because sometimes, yeah, it has to create a problem ticket. See, here I have a problem create button. Now, if I click on problem ticket, or after saving the record, immediately it has to create the problem ticket by copying all these values. By copying all these values means in the caller a well tutor is there, no? That has to be copied to problem form, and short description has to be copied to problem form. Assignment group has to be copied to problem form. Now what I'll do is I will yeah, okay. So here I'll put like network issue, and it is assigned to network thing. Yeah. So, okay, network. Hmm. What I wanted to say is whenever I click on save button, this short description assignment group has to be copied, and it has to open the problem form and paste the same whatever here on the incident form. Short description and assignment group has to be populated automatically. This is my requirement. So what I will do now is, okay, what I'll do now is I can write after business rule and async business rules, both are same. Please listen to me, guys. After business rule and async business rules, both are same. Then why we have different names if both are same? Why we have different names? That means very simple, guys. After business rule runs synchronously. That means synchronous is nothing but when after business rule is running, the form will get freezed. That means you will not be able to add, modify anything on the form. Okay?
Okay.
But ASIC business rule is like, it will run in the background, but still you will get the access to the form. They will not be freezing kind of thing. No. So that is the difference between both business rules will run on after the data is saved in the database. Both will run after only. But the difference between after and async is it will wait stop. That means it will freeze the form once the action executed, then only you will get the access to the form. But here in the async business rule, in the back end, the action will be running. While action is running also, you will get the access to the form. You got my point, guys?
Yes.
User will get access to the form immediately. So that is the difference between after and async. Now I will show you how it is, how it will run. Okay? Right click on the header, go to header. Right click on the header, go to configure, business rules. What I'll do is, here, there. Oh, now click on new. Here I'm writing, create problem from incident form. Come on, yeah. Create problem from incident. This is my requirement. Okay. When to run? When it is inserted, updated, deleted query. So I will click on insert and update. Both also I can put, guys.
Okay.
Don't get confused. Advanced. Here I will take after business rule first, and then I will show you the other things. See, here I can add the ITIL admin. Whoever is having ITIL admin, those guys will have this option. Simple. Done. Okay. Action. What is the action you want? Set fields. You don't need to add any message. No, no worries. Okay. Yeah, I will add. Problem ticket created. Something like that. I can put the message. Advanced. What is the action you wanted to do? Async. Okay. So after business rule, advanced. Here I will write the code. Simple. Okay. Where gr equal to, see guys, please concentrate. Here I am writing new glide record. What do you mean by new glide record, guys? Here, what exactly you wanted to do? Because you are writing this business rule on the incident form. And what is your requirement here? You wanted to create a problem ticket based upon the incident. This is your requirement. Okay. So first you have to call the problem form. Why? Because you are trying to create the ticket record in the problem table. Right. So I'm calling the problem table. Next, gr dot initialize. Initialize is not. How many of you know what is initialize, guys? Yes. What is initialize here? Initialize, very simple. I'll tell you in simple language.
Fine.
Okay. When you click on incidents, if you click on create new, okay, click on create new. Now you tell me this is saved or not. I just clicked on create new.
Not saved.
Not saved.
Not saved, right? So I am asking my system to open a new form that is called initialize. Just now what we have done, you have clicked on create and I have opened a new form, but not saved yet. That is called initialize. Understand?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay, now gr dot initialize, gr dot short description. What is gr here, guys? Tell me.
Problem record.
Problem
Record.
table. Right now it is in gr. Simple. This problem table is entire problem table is in gr, and it is right now we have asked system to open a new form, and it's a short description. Whatever the short description, gr dot short description equal to current dot short description. Then what is this current? In the client side, in the client script, what we have written g underscore form. In the server, because that is a client script. But here in the business rule is a server side script. Current from present form will be called as current on the in Servicenow. If you open this form in the client script, we will call it as g underscore form. In the server side script, we will call it as current, current. Okay. So
Okay.
what we are asking here, current dot short description is equal to gr dot short description. That means current means this one. If I write network issue here, this entire network issue will be current short description. I am asking to copy this one and put it in the gr dot short description. What is gr here? Problem short description. That means here in the problem ticket. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Yeah, I have opened gr sometime back. I have shown the incident form, but it is, we have done gr dot initialize means open the new problem form and put current. What is current? Incident form is the current. Pick up the current present form's short description equal to, that means paste it in the gr,
Problem.
that means problem form short description. Simple. Now I want to do the same thing for what do you call
Assign group.
assignment group also. Then what I need to do?
gr dot
gr
assignment group.
equal to current
Current dot assignment group.
right. So after all, what I wanted to do? What I wanted to do after
It
the
must.
insert,
It-
gr dot insert. Correct? I
Yeah.
have to insert the record after putting all this data. After putting all this data, it has to be saved in the database, right? Save is nothing. First time save is nothing but gr dot insert.
Okay.
Got my point?
Yes.
Any confusion on these lines?
No.
No.
Now I'm saving the record. Okay. Here I can write one more thing. Gr dot add info message. We cannot write here. Add info message. Gs dot add info message. Okay. Problem related plus gr dot. Let us see how it goes. Create now. Now I'll go to incident form, guys. Click on create new again. Leave it. Caller form. Caller is able to. Am I recording the session, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, short description, network issue, testing, creation of problem.
Problem.
Okay. To make you understand, I'll just written here. Network. I will save the record. And see, problem ticket created. Problem ticket created. Let us see. Why there are two messages, guys? Any idea?
I think there is one more
What one more?
business rule.
No. Here we have already put the message, no?
Oh, okay.
That is the reason why it is populating two numbers. But here the problem is the number is not populated here. But still, we will see whether the ticket has been created with our short description or not. We will see. See, network issue for testing problem ticket created or not, guys?
Yes.
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 Yes, sir.
Our business rule is running successfully. That is fine. Now, what my requirement is? My requirement is I will create one more incident. Your caller is Abraham Lincoln now. Here I'll put a hardware issue. Hardware issue. Testing for PRB. Testing PRB for the second time. Here the assignment group is hardware.
Hardware.
So please concentrate, guys. Please concentrate. I will here the latest record number is 231. I am saving the record. 1, 2, 3. That means it has taken some time. Okay, I'll put some value here, guys. I will put some value in the problem. Sorry, business rule. Okay. Here I'll put what I'll put is a GS dot sleep 10,000. That means 10,000 milliseconds. Okay.
Okay.
What it will do, you can see 10,000. This is after business rule, guys. You have to remember after business rule. Right? Did I save this record?
Yeah.
Yeah, second time. Okay. I will create one more ticket in third time. Don't worry. Okay. If it's I heard it third time. Okay. I'm going to this. I will assign this ticket to hardware team. Please concentrate here. Save the record. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means 10 seconds. It has taken time to insert the record. Correct. On the problem form on after business rule, guys. After business rule, I have put 10 seconds. Now, what I will do is I will change this to also what of course after 10 seconds it has created the record. See, third time.
Okay.
Now what I'll do is I will change this after business rule to async business. Same thing I will do. Save the record. Now I'll create one more and I will add a well filter. Testing creation of problem ticket with the async business, async BR. Okay.
Okay.
Now, hardware team. I will save the record. 1, 2, 3. So within 3 seconds or 2 seconds, it has given you access. Correct?
Yes.
But the
Yes, sir.
problem ticket has taken 10 seconds. Now you understand what is after business rule and async business rule. Async business rule will run in the background, but immediately it will give you access to the form. But after business rule will freeze the form unless and until this script is executed. Got it?
Yes.
Anybody? All of you. Varma, Anuja, Devi, Mauni, Vinay. Okay.
Kumar, what is GS?
PSC is nothing but a glide system. Glide system is nothing but here in the what do you call? If you want to pop up a message, you need to use gs.add info message. There on the Client side, you can directly add like G underscore form dot add message.
Okay.
Okay, now we will discuss about the fourth business rule, that is display.
Display.
Yeah. So now I will close this one. I will inactivate this. Update. Okay. Create. Configure. New. Okay. Okay. Right now I am writing display business rule. Guys, please concentrate. Advanced. If I select display, nothing is there. Insert update query, nothing is there. You can see for before business rule, you have insert update delete query. For after display business rule, insert update delete query. Async, insert update delete query. Display, nothing is there. On the how many types of client scripts we have, guys? On load, on submit, on change, and on sell edit, right? So what on load do? What on load do, guys? Whenever the form loads, that means if I open the form, this form is getting loaded and populated with new values, correct?
Yeah.
In the same way, on the server side, async business rule is nothing but onload. So, sir, not async business. Display business rule is nothing but whenever the form loads, before giving the access to the form, it will load all the form and give you the access. That is called display. You know what is onload, right?
Yes.
Client side, we will call it as onload, and the server side, we will call it as display. Simple.
Okay.
Whenever the form loads, display business rule runs. Simple. Okay, now I already told you display business rule here in the when we discuss about the how to populate server side information. What we discussed, guys? How to populate server side information? That is get reference, G scratchpad, glide Ajax. So script include on the server side. This I already told you. Whenever we discuss about the G scratchpad is nothing but whenever we discuss about the display business rule, I told you that we will discuss this. Correct? Do you remember it?
Yeah.
So now get reference we have already seen. Glide Ajax we have already seen. Now we will discuss about G scratchpad. Here what I do is I will remove this and put it here. G scratchpad. See, G scratchpad is nothing. What I will do is this for display business rule. Okay. So now my requirement is on the incident form assigned to email. Assigned to email should be whenever the form loads, assigned to email should be populated here on the top. And the state value has to be changed to in progress. This is my requirement, guys. Got it?
Yes.
Now, what I'll do is I will write a incident form. Populate assigned to email, right? This is my requirement. Advanced, when to run, display. Whenever the form loads, I want to display the assigned to email. Okay, advanced. Here I will write my code. Condition, I will put the condition. Assigned to is not empty when the assigned to ASSIG into assigned to is not empty, I will not populate anything. Correct?
Yeah.
I come on. Sorry, I'm on set field values action. My requirement is when the assigned to is not empty. Okay? When it is empty, there is no point in populating. That doesn't make any sense. So I'm not empty, then run it. Here I will write like G underscore SCRATCH pad scratch pad dot ASSI GNE assignee equal to current dot assigned underscore to dot email. Okay. Dot email, save this record. G underscore dot assignee equal to current dot assigned to email. That means here I already told you what is current, guys. Whatever the form you have opened, that is your present form. That is your present form. And G scratchpad dot assignee is nothing. What this G? Please treat this as a variable. That means this current dot assigned to underscore email will be storing it in G scratchpad dot assign. It is like a variable. So earlier, sometime back when we have created gr dot, we have put short description, something like that. So what it has done, whatever the current value is there, it has put in the gr value. In the same way, the current value, that means assigned to dot email, will be holding in G underscore scratchpad like variable. Is this clear, guys? It will, if not, it will get cleared in just 1 minute. Okay. Now I will go to configure client scripts. Configure client scripts. Okay. Click on create new. Here I am writing one more client script. That's why I told you when we discussed about display business rule, I will write the client script. So here I am populate assigned to email. This is my client script name. Type is, what is type is? Type is
Onload.
what? Onload, right, correct. So onload, here I will put G underscore form dot add info message, okay,
Assign
the email
email
address of assigned
to
to is plus space plus
that
yeah,
assign to email.
yeah. No. Just populate this one.
Yeah.
Copy because a variable we have
Okay.
stored
Okay.
our value in this one, no?
Yeah.
Just
S-
copy this and put it here. Simple. That variable we are pasting it here.
mm,
Got it?
Yes.
Why it is like this? Any idea? Okay. Yes, I will paste it again. This is best option. Okay. So now I am saving the record. Now I'll create one more record. Click on create, no. Leave it. Okay. Undefined. Okay. On load, it is populating. Test. Assignment group is hardware. Assigned to is David. Save the record. See, assigned to email, email address of assigned to is a development. What is this development? Huh? Why it is showing as development, guys? Let me check. David Lu, email address of why it is showing? Department is showing. That means, give me a second. Let me know whether our this thing is populating and other. So that means this assignee is already something, somewhere it is there. I hope. Because this assignee is somewhere it is there. I have to remove that one. You understand my point, guys?
Yes.
Somewhere the business rule is already executing. That's the reason why it is showing like that. So what I need to do now? Tell me. What I need to do?
We need
Simple.
to remove that business
I
rule.
need to go to business rule and check where is that business rule. Create problem, restrict the idea. Okay, now if I want to check that, there is other thing. So go to this settings, go to script. If I want to check really, you don't want to see, will you waste all this checking 82? There are 82 business rules. Will you wait checking all these 82 business rules for this one? It is time taking process, no? So what you can do is, what exactly it is populating here? Assigned to is a development. So somewhere it is picking up development. That means department of assigned to, correct?
Yes.
Guys, are you able to understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So somewhere it is picking up the department of assigned to. That means what is the backend value of department there? Department is the, see, I will open this one. This is how you need to troubleshoot. See, the department, the backend value is department. So somewhere they have to write the department name in the script. Is that correct?
Correct.
So what I'll do is, where is that? So yeah, what I'll do,
Search.
I'll go to, yeah, search for a department field, simple. So in the script, what I'll do is department, I put department, DEPRTME. Now I will get 9 records. See, 9 records I got. See, push department to client. You have identified it or not?
Yes.
So this is the problem. Simple. Open that script and check what is the problem here. See, this scratchpad.sine. Both variables are same, no?
Yeah.
That's the reason why it is populating. Got it?
Yes.
If that is the case, what I will do? If there is already a business rule, I will not write one more business rule. Here I will inactivate it. I will save this record. I will put the same thing. See, I will put the same thing here. Copy in the same business array. Yeah, I'll put the same business rule here also. Simple. G underscore add information. No. Where is my old business rule, man? This is a client script. Where is my old business rule? This is my old business.
Yes.
I will pick up this one and I will put it here only. What is the problem? So G scratch pad, I will not put, I will put like, G underscore dot underscore email I will put. And so this variable is different. This variable, okay, this variable is different. This variable is different. This is only assigning. Okay, I'll put like this for your understanding. Underscore depart, it is email. So this is first, second line variable is different. Third line variable is different. Here I am pushing the email. In the first, second one, I am pushing the department. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, now I will save this one. I hope everybody is able to understand what I am doing.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes.
here what I will do is I will copy this now. I will put it in the second and two messages. That means copy. One is department and one is email. Here it will populate department. Copy this one. Copy. Anybody don't understand this one? What I am doing here? Any questions? Anybody on this client script and business rule? Anybody? Please speak out if you don't understand. Don't keep quiet. I will save the record, then it will get refreshed for sure. Did I activate that one or not? No, it is not activated. I will reload it. Come on. See, assigned to development is development. Obtained to email address is undefined. Why it is undefined? Any idea, guys?
Assigned spelling wrong, I think.
No.
That business rule.
Are you sure?
Yes.
ASSINED.
I need.
Okay. For that, what I can do, I will go like this. Go to this show. I will copy this. Copy. This one I have removed it now.
You didn't save it.
No, wait. This one it is running, no? I'm not running that. Assign. Says client script. Where is my business rule? This is the one. So in this one it is correct only, no?
No.
No? Okay. Assign it.
.email.
.email. Let us see. Yeah, what is this? Assign to .assign email. What is this?
Sign.
Okay, I will reload it one more time. See davidlou.example.com. Is it populating or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Now my next requirement is this one. So yeah, guys, so it is changed to in progress also, that is fine. So Do you think we are populating server side on the information onto the client? Yes or no?
Yes.
So these are the three ways of, these are the three ways of posting, pulling the values from server side to
Client.
side. Yeah. So now
Yes.
I will stop the sharing, guys. I will stop. No, I will stop the recording for now, so that